Hey gang, welcome back. This is Izzy with innerFoodies. Been gone a while, but I'm back. I'm trying to start more of my content here in the fall of 2021. Today we're going to go ahead and make a awesome, amazing, delicious dish. It's going to be chicken Parmesan with carrots and Couscous. I've never done this. I'm going to try it and hopefully it comes out tasting pretty good. Full disclosure, these are recipes that I get. So I'll just go ahead and try to make the best as I can. The purpose of these videos is so that I can help myself learn how to cook. I've always wanted to do so. So I've been kind of embracing the inner foodie myself and learning how to make these dishes. Kudos to the makers of these recipes. If it weren't for them, I wouldn't be able to make these here though. Full disclosure, I don't make any money off of these videos or anything like that. I just make them for educational purposes, mainly just for my pleasure and for your viewing pleasure. So I ask that you go ahead and please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's innerFoodies. And just a reminder that I also have the Travel Junkie Lifestyle channel out there for myself under innerFoodies, and let's get to work as well. So let's then get started. I'll give you a list of the recipes in one quick second here. All right, so let me just read out some of the recipes, or the items we're gonna have, the ingredients for a recipe, and I'm hoping it's gonna be a fun and enjoyable meal. We're gonna take some carrots and we're gonna have some scallions. We're gonna go ahead and get a lemon, about a half cup of Parmesan cheese. Everybody likes cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and get about a 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, I guess is what you call it. Some paprika. Obviously, we're going to need some chicken for our chicken Parmesan. We're going to use some sour cream, the Couscous, and a clove of garlic. I'll make sure to put these list of ingredients on the description on the YouTube channel in case I went a little too fast. You'll have that information there so you can go ahead and plan your dinner if you care to create some of this here though. So let's get rolling. My first thing is going to go ahead and cut up our vegetables. As I've come to learn, the best thing for me to do is start with the vegetables and then roll into the cooking and then finalizing though. So I'm sure this is going to be interesting. So the first thing I'm going to do obviously is to tackle the vegetables as I stated here a minute ago. So I'm going to go ahead and wash and trim and peel the carrots that I have, and then I'm going to dice them up, or not dice them up, but cut them into slices, kind of like wafers, and then use them for my meal. I had a chance to go to the market this morning, and I got the really good carrots. Look at that. Oh, man, I can't even eat them. I didn't touch them. Let me wash them. Okay, so for this recipe, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut up my carrots into 2 inches long slices, and then I'm gonna use them kind of sort of looking like French fries. So this is gonna be interesting. So what's the best way to cut these carrots? Obviously you gotta cut them right here, tear off some of these like little front sections, and then do the 1/2 inches and then chim, 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 right? So that works. As a kid, they'd always tell me that if you eat carrots, your eyes are gonna, they'll stay healthy and good. I guess that's because of the vitamins, but as you can see, I still wear glasses, so maybe I just didn't eat enough carrots. Anyway, I'm gonna make up for today. All right, so I got my carrots done. Yummy. Okay, so the next thing for me to do is go ahead and cut up my scallions, and the way this recipe asks that I do it is that I separate the whites from the greens, and then also go ahead and cut up a little bit of the garlic cloves. I really didn't know or have used a lot of garlic when I was younger, before I started cooking this stuff, or my cooking channel. So I'm starting to learn how to kind of use it, and I'll continue to buy some when I go shopping. Garlic's good for vampires and warding off demons and crap like that though. I don't know if there's any other stuff that's still relevant to that though, but I think it's kind of funny. So as the recipe says, you cut the whites and the greens, separate them, make sure to cut off the roots. I don't know, I like these onions, scallions, whatever you want to call them. I think they're very tasty. I'm going to go ahead and do so. I'm going to go ahead and cut up my lemon into 4 slices, so I'll quarter it. And then just for kicks, I'm going to throw in some of the mini bell peppers. You know, I like the mini bell peppers on most of my meals. So I'm going to use that. You can see I got my whites, got my green, scallops, my garlic, my clutter that I'm going to throw away, my lemons, and of course the carrots. So we're getting there. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep the chicken. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to get some of the breading. This one's got some panko, and then I'm going to go ahead and use some of the Parmesan cheese that I've gotten. I'm going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil so it'll keep kind of sticky and consistent. I'll add some salt and pepper, and I should be good to go with that. Oh, Parmesan. Breadcrumbs. All right. The messy paprika bag. If I can get it in there low in hand, that'd be pretty cool. I like paprika. I think I just mentioned that a second ago. Paprika seems to make everything taste good, including carrots and potatoes and stuff like that. I've actually been to a couple restaurants and you can order the sweet potato fries that they make, and they put a lot of paprika on it, and it tastes pretty good. Good, I like it. And of course the ever popular olive oil. Oh, Popeye. Oh, Popeye. A little more. Didn't say how much, but I don't think it matters. Okay, now I'm just going to wash my hands really quick, and then I'm going to mix it by hand. And then I'll start putting the chicken in there. This chicken does get a bit sticky, gooey, right? Yeah. So I think doing these cooking recipes has taught me, learned me how to, what to do with the chicken so it's a little more presentable, a little better. Okay, so we got some sour cream, and then I'll rub it. Let me get us rubbing sour cream all over the chicken. Right. Might not be bad to do it one at a time. Anyway, I'm still working on it. I'm still working on my cooking abilities. It's like secret weapon, being able to cook. Whatever. So just wanted to show y'all really quick. I'm battering them after I put the sour cream into my little bowl. I'm trying to cover them up with the Parmesan and the breading. So it looks pretty neat, pretty interesting. Again, this is kind of hard to do one hand, so I have to put the camera down. Yeah, it's a bit messy, but it's kind of fun. Anyway, let's keep at it, guys. We're doing great. Now I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 425 to get it ready so that we can start cooking the chicken and anything else that needs to go into the oven. Right, so I've drizzled some olive oil on my carrots, and I've also brought out the mini bell peppers. So let's take care of that. Put a little bit of salt, some pepper, and I'm gonna throw it in the oven as well with the chicken's already in there, so I'm gonna throw this here with it. There we go. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a pot and boil some water, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the couscous in there. And I'm gonna cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes. Couscous is making itself. I'll take it off in a minute, and then I'll actually put some of the onions and the chives and stuff though in there. Yeah, let me just go ahead and put that in there right now. We'll be fine. And now for my presentation, and then I'll be just about done with this video. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, here's the presentation. This is again the Parmesan chicken with carrots. I got a bell pepper, lime on the side, lemon on the side, and some couscous. Looks delicious. I'm sure it's going to taste great. Once again, thanks for joining my channel. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for watching. This has been an innerFoodie creation that I've done. Again, these are items that I've recipes that I've had sent to me, and I'm just trying to learn how to cook. So I ask one more time that you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to embrace your inner foodie. Bye.